In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your audio projects using DaVinci Resolve's powerful audio effects. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting, understanding how to manipulate sound can significantly elevate your work. So let's dive right in and explore this in a simple way. First, you'll need to open DaVinci Resolve, which is our editing platform of choice today. Now, if you haven't used DaVinci Resolve before, don't worry. It's a robust tool favored by many for its versatility and features in both video and audio editing. Once you've got DaVinci Resolve up and running, you're ready to take your next step. The effects library within DaVinci Resolve is a treasure trove of resources that can add a unique flair to your audio. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Effects panel. You'll typically find this on the top menu. Look for the borderline magic wand icon that signifies effects and click on it. This menu houses a variety of options, but for our purposes, you're going to focus on Audio FX. This is where the magic begins. Upon clicking Audio FX, you'll notice a selection of sound effects that you can integrate into your projects. DaVinci Resolve offers numerous options, ranging from reverb and equalization to more nuanced effects like noise reduction. These tools can drastically alter the mood and clarity of your audio tracks. For those of you who might be unsure which effect to use, I recommend starting with some basic ones like equalization and reverb. As you become more comfortable, you can experiment with more complex effects to tailor the sound to exactly what you need. A helpful tip to remember is that you can always preview an effect before fully committing to it. Simply select the effect, apply it to your audio clip, and listen to the change. If you're not satisfied, it's easy to revert and try another effect until you achieve the desired result. This approach is not only efficient, but encourages a kind of hands-on learning experience that can be incredibly rewarding. Once you've applied your chosen effects, take a moment to play through your project. Listen carefully to ensure the effects blend seamlessly with the rest of your audio and make any necessary adjustments to volume levels or effect intensity. Trust your ears and remember that subtle changes can often have the most profound impact without overwhelming your listeners. And that's it. Your audio is now enhanced with high-quality effects that showcase the potential of DaVinci Resolve. While these steps might seem straightforward, don't underestimate the power of practice. The more you familiarize yourself with these tools, the more skilled you'll become at creating compelling audio narratives. Thank you for watching. Now go out there and elevate your audio projects to a whole new level.